So, welcome. Today's topic is chain codes. Chain codes are used to represent a boundary by a connected sequence of a straight line segment. So chain codes are generally used to represent a boundary by a connected sequence of straight line segment, and for that here the 4 connectivity or 8 connectivity of the segments can be considered. The direction convention for chain codes is represented like this. For this, we have to consider the 3 by 3 neighborhood like this. This is our pixel P, and these are the 4 neighbors of this pixel P. Okay, and for 8 neighbors, again we can represent a 3 by 3 neighborhood. This is our pixel P, and these are the 8 neighbors of pixel P. Here direction convention for such type of 4 neighbors of pixel P are called as 4 chain code, and that 4 chain code is represented like this. This is having code 0, this is having code 1, code 2 and code 3. And for 8 neighbors we are having code like this. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is called as 8 chain code. So when an edge is traced from the beginning point to the end point, the direction must be considered, and for that we have to move from first pixel of that beginning portion of the edge to the next pixel, and for that direction we have to consider such type of codes 0, 1, 2, 3 in case of 4 chain codes, or the code which is provided by the 8 chain code, which is varying from 0 to 7. So by using this we can consider the direction of the edge. Now let's see one example based on this 4 chain codes. Here one image is given and we have to write the 4 chain code. For this, first of all we have to take a arbitrary point or pixel from the given image to detect the edge. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll select this pixel as our starting point. So this will be our first pixel or first point from where we are going to start giving the chain code. Now here we have to move in generally clockwise direction. Okay, we are going to move in the clockwise direction. Now when we are moving from first pixel or first point to the next point, the cursor will move from this to this point, and the direction will be considered, and based on the direction the code will be assigned. So here is our selected pixel P. We'll move from first pixel to the second pixel like this. We'll move in this direction. So for this we have to consider the 4 chain code. Here I'll write down the 4 chain codes 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is 4 chain code. The direction is this. So here we are going to provide the code as 0. Okay. After this we are again moving from this point to this point. So I'll make the change in the same diagram. Here we'll move from this point to this point. Okay, so we'll give the code equals to 0, 0 because the direction is in the same way. Now we are moving from this point to this point. Okay, so here we are moving from this point to this point here like this. Now our direction of movement is downward direction, so the code provided is 3. Now this 3 code we have to write after this code. So code will be for this case 1 and 2, and this is third movement, and code will be 0 0 3. After this, from this pixel to this pixel, the movement is like this. Okay, so for this movement we have to assign code 0, that we have to write after this code. So this will be 0. After that, from this pixel to this pixel we are going to move like this. So code will be 3. After this, again the direction is downwards, so code will be 3. From this pixel to this pixel the movement is there. So for this movement our code is 2. Again from this to this pixel the direction is same, so code will be again 2. From this pixel to this pixel direction is again the same, code will be 2. Now from this pixel the cursor will move into upward direction like this. Okay, so here the code will be 1, and from this pixel to this pixel again the code will be 1, and after this we are going to reach at the starting pixel. So for that starting pixel, again from this point to this point means the same code we are going to apply, that is 1. So for this given image, the chain code, that is 4 chain code, is given as 0 0 3 0 3 3 2 2 2 1 1 1. So here in this 4 chain codes only the horizontal and vertical direction will be considered, but if we consider the 8 connectivity, that 8 connectivity is closer to human eyes than compared with the 4 connectivity, and here the 8 chain code, it will allow an edge to be described by using vertical, horizontal as well as the diagonal descriptors. Now we will solve one example based on 8 chain codes. Now given an image, we have to write down the 8 chain code. This is the given image. First of all we will select any arbitrary point. So we will select this as our starting point. Let's consider that starting point here. This is the same pixel which is this. So this is our starting point P. We'll start from this point in the clockwise direction. So we'll move from this to this direction like this, and for that we have to consider the 8 chain codes. So 8 chain codes I'll represent here. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here the code assigned for this will be 0. After this, our cursor will move from this direction to this direction on this pixel. So this direction we can observe here, the direction has assigned the value equals to 7. Okay, so for this case we can assign the code equals to 0 7. Okay, after this again our pixel or cursor will move from this pixel to this pixel like this, and direction is in this direction. So that direction here is having value 5. So the code assigned to this image will be 0 7 5. Likewise we have to move our cursor on whole image and we have to find out the 8 chain codes. Now our cursor will move from this pixel to this pixel this direction, and for this direction we are having code equals to 7. So we'll assign the code equals to 7 here. Okay. From again this pixel, our cursor will move to this direction. So for this direction the code is 5. Here I'll draw the code 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From this direction cursor will move in horizontal direction in this way. So the code will be 4, that will be assigned after this particular code value. Again our cursor will move in this direction, so code will be 4. After this cursor will move in this direction, and for this direction our code value will be 3. After this our cursor will move in this direction, so our code value will be 1, and from this cursor will move to this value and code value for this will be 2, and again from this at the starting point will reach and the code value will be 1. So for the given image our 8 chain code value will be 07575443121.